really had to go. Now, just smash it.
Go, 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 go.
The shell's coming off. This is all soft now. Shane, since you're from Barbados, why don't you come show us how to effectively...
I know, you little bitch one. Ooh, thank you.
Well, I'm sorry, my machete is for killing people only.
Mmm.
Is it good?
It's yummy.
Shane, would you like some coconut?
No.
Ooh, this piece just went into the cup. Look. Alright, see, look, it's like a little birdhouse.
Mmm.
Supposed to eat the white part.
That is the white part right here. I'm beating in this coconut
Why you
brain.
guys are remedial. They're gonna break my counter.